Guys, today I'm gonna show you a quick video on how to fix a coolant leak that is coming from the heater core. A lot of times the heater core goes bad, and sometimes we don't have the money to fix it because we have to remove the complete dash. So if you can't fix it at the moment and you still need to use your car, let me show you guys a bypass that you can do if you can change the heater core right away. Guys, on every car is the same process. I'm just using this car as an example because it's easy to show you where everything is. But every brand is the exact same thing. Every car has the same two holes coming out from the firewall. You're gonna find the two lines, and you're gonna find the two lines on the engine. So it's the exact same process. Okay, so for example here we have the two lines that go inside the cabin. This is the heater core. There's one hose that feeds this line to allow the water to come in, and the other one comes out and goes back to the engine. So to fix this, to bypass this heater leak, we need to unplug the heater lines. We unplug it, and we're gonna avoid water to go inside the heater. So that means there will not be any leak anymore. So we unplug the two lines. After you unplug the two lines, I would recommend you to blow air through one hole so all the coolant comes out as soon as possible. Because if you leave it there, you still gonna have a leak until the heater core empties out. Okay, so I already unplugged my two lines here. What are we gonna do with the other two lines? Let me show you. So on this car, the two lines were coming from here, from these two pipes, this one and this one. So you're gonna have a long line that goes all the way to the back, feeding the top line, and then you have the other line that goes all the way in the back to feed the bottom line. So we unplug those two hoses, and we're gonna have these two hoses, you can either cut one of them. If you don't want to buy one, you can cut the same one and put it on the other pipe, and that's gonna be a loop. You're gonna bypass the heater core, and it's just gonna make a loop and go back to the engine normal. You're not gonna have any heater problems. You're not gonna have any leaking problems. So that's the easiest solution for a temporary fix. And if you don't want to cut the line, you can just buy one that is kind of like a U shape, any type of line. I think this one is 3/4 size. And this is what we did here. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I can help you and guide you if you need help how to do this process. Really simple. I've done it many times. I never had any issues. If the customer just don't want to pay and don't want to spend any money, or you're in the middle of the highway and there's no shops or anything, that's an option for you to be fixed. Or if one of the lines starts leaking, you can just bypass the system. Alright guys, well, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and try to be better every day.